Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable to play sound on the OnCourse application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three lines at the upper right corner of the screen and go to the settings button. At the left side on the screen, click to the alerts button and you can find the last option, the play sound, and if you want to enable, just click to the next white and on. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.